Welcome to ProfitCell, the app that allows you to turn your website into a mobile app. As we can see right here, this is a website that was built with ProfitCell. After enabling our notifications and adding the app to our home screen, the users can now browse the app without a problem, accessing everything you built into it with ProfitCell. After browsing a bit, the users can also receive any notifications that you send to them, such as this one right here that we've just received now. So let me show you exactly how easy it is to build an app with ProfitCell. It's just as easy as accessing the app. As you can see right here, we can edit anything we want. We have all of these cool interactions with our boxes. We can move things around however we see fit. So we can just move this down here without a problem with drag and drop. We can edit the text, we can edit the video, we can do so much. But what's more exciting is all of the elements you have access to. And if we just go to all, you can see we have thousands of elements you can use immediately, each with its preview, so you can see exactly what you're using. And we have all of them here. So we have banners, bullet lists, content boxes, footers, headers, even caption effects, all done for you to integrate into your own app to make it look as exciting and as modern as possible for your clients. Once you're done, you can just click update. And done. The app is now automatically updated on your user's phone with whatever changes you have done. So let's now go into ProfitCell's dashboard and see where the magic happens. Now that you've seen what ProfitCell can do, let me show you your user dashboard. So we come across this page right here, we click on Start Building Your Apps here, and we're led to this page, My Apps, where you have training videos for building apps, whole dedicated training area to make sure you can maximize your usage of ProfitCell. Creating an app in this dashboard is as easy as clicking on Create App, putting a name, clicking on Create App, and done. We're able to see this exact website that I've shown you previously on an Android phone. Right after adding this right here, sending a notification is just as easy as creating it. We just go to Notification, set the title, and then just select all of the apps that we want the notification sent to. In this case, ProfitCell. Click on Send, and it will automatically send the message for us. As we can see right here, message sent successfully. And with the easiest app builder you've ever experienced, ProfitCell is a no-brainer. So check it out right now, and I can't wait to see you inside.